Hi guys, thank you for watching Where in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. So, where in Pampanga are we right now? We are here in Lubao, Pampanga, and we are featuring Yñigo's Grill. So, join me inside. Let's check out their food.
Welcome to Yñigo's Grill!
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Chef Ryan from Yñigo's Grill, and I'm inviting everyone to try our lineup of Pinoy and Mediterranean cuisine. So, in here you'll see a group of our house specials. These are the best sellers at Yñigo's. Okay, we have our shawarma, our wraps, and then we have our kubide wrap, shish chicken. Okay, we have two varieties. And then we have our baba ganoush. This is our version of dynamite. And the salad, which is from shawarma roll or wrap. We have our salad. And our Nacho Kebab. And of course, our very crispy lavash with hummus dip. Yeah. We have our very own Paul Salata. Okay, this was created by our very own Doc Paul Baltasar. We also have our very own pizza craze. We only have two. We have our famous pizza de Lubao and pizza kebab. Also for the kids, we have our seasoned fries. Alright, we have our grillers here. First of all, we have our pinakasikat na street food. They call classic pork barbecue and our grilled sticks. Sa mga nagda-diet dyan, pwede kayo. It's a combination of ears and jowl, okay, or pisngi. And we have our liempo, inihaw na liempo, or we call it here belly good. And our not so famous pero halos hinahanap-hanap na rin ngayon, our sausage kebab. Because it's very original. It's homemade. We have our ribs and our chicken inasal. And going to our Yñigo's comfort zone, syempre di mawawala yung sisig. Yeah. And our trio of silog. Yeah. Of course, the top silog. Ito silog. And utilize namin si sausage kebab. Of course, meron po kami mga signature sauce, no? Meron po kami yung barbecue sauce namin. Of course, gusto nyo matikman to? Come try Yñigo's Grill. What the fudge? Kasi nasabi ko, sorry. Kasi meron kami dito dessert na hindi mo mahanap sa iba. Okay, sabihin na natin, wow. But yes, what the fudge is the dessert, to die for. Okay? It's a vanilla with bacon bits and some slice of salted egg drizzled with caramel sauce, and underneath yung ating signature brownie fudge. I'm happy to introduce you our promo, which is the Wednesdays and Thursdays UNLI. Anong UNLI? So, yung mga minahal ninyo sa Yñigo's Grill, UNLI na siya for only 299 pesos. Okay? Meron na tayo UNLI Java Rice, Nacho Kebab, ang ating baba ganoush rolls, chicken inasal, and yung ating duo of barbecue sticks. We have the grilled stick and classic pork, of course. Huwag kakalimutan ng Achara. And our very own homemade iced tea. Tara!
Okay, so ngayon kasama natin si Doc Paul. So, the owner of Yñigo's Grill. Thank you so much for inviting us po. Okay. So, Doc Paul, we heard about your advocacy po dito sa Yñigo's. So, tell us more about it.
Well, in Yñigo's, we have this pizza de Lubao. As part of the advocacy, it's called the Pananagutan Campaign. This is one of the best sellers in this restaurant.
Okay.
It's tasty, it has everything in it. It's petite and sale of this pizza
Pizza.
de Lubao,
Uh-huh.
10 pesos of the sale goes to a charity
Wow.
of 2 charity institutions that I have connected with. Like the first is a cancer organization. I cannot say the name.
Yes, that's okay.
Cancer organization for kids, helping out kids, and the other is HIV Foundation for people living with HIV who cannot afford medications for HIV.
Yes.
So this is the advocacy for this pizza de Lubao.
So, part of the sale.
10 piso.
10
10 piso sa bawat benta ng pizza de Lubao, pupunta matatali dun sa blackboard. And on February 14, we will be endorsing them with the 2 organizations helping out these 2 institutions.
Alright. So guys, hindi lang kayo mabubusog, makakatulong pa po kayo. So, Doc Paul, please invite our viewers to come and check out Yñigo's Grill.
Okay, we'd like to invite everyone to try out our food choices here at Yñigo's Lubao. It is Pinoy, Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, and I'd like you to try and see for yourself and taste for yourself the food that we have to offer here, especially the pizza de Lubao.
Pizza de Lubao.
Because there's heart at the end for every sale of this pizza.
Right, so if you want to try authentic Pinoy Mediterranean, tama po ba? Pinoy Mediterranean dishes here in Lubao, come and check out Yñigo's Grill. So again, thanks for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.